Hey guys, Eric with Lovis Landscaping. We're going to check in on a project that we featured a few weeks back. Last time we were here, it was just getting started and we just had things kind of marked out with what we were going to do. So we'll go through real quick and show you what's changed since last time. Follow me. So here we are, kind of getting toward the finishing stages. It's still a mess, as you've seen from the front yard. Or difficult access of leading down this really steep slope here. It's been really interesting. We kind of battled the weather and the moisture the first week or two that we were here. So now things are dried out. We've been able to make a lot of progress. So this retaining wall will continue around over here. This is going to make an elevated area. This will have a fire pit inside of here, kind of with a small seat wall to be able to sit against the fire pit on that retaining wall right there. So this will all be flagstone. We have an area that we'll have planted here in front of the boulder wall. So coming down these steps, this will lead to a pathway that'll go down to the dock area. This whole area here will be flagstone stepping stones leading over here to our staircase. This again will also have landscaping down here to kind of soften up all the material. Staircase leads over here. And then you can kind of come around this side here and you can see this is the access to get up to the top. So staircase leads all the way up top. We've got a few different landings in here. These are natural stone steps that we have and kind of anchored to the hillside. It's also very steep on the sides here as you can tell. So we've added these boulders all the way up the sides. We'll have planting area across there. We've also just sodded earlier today. So we've kind of dressed it up as much as we could for right now. So we still got to clean everything off, get to the finishing touches, wash everything off real well, planted. We still got some gravel, decorative gravel to be put in here. But all in all, it's going on really well. Fingers crossed for good weather, and you'll see an update on the finished project here pretty soon. Thanks.